Server contacted. Transmitting file.
So yung modem is now working. Transmitting is going on.
Going. 24% completed. Sa MBOC yan, sir.
Okay. Then after MBOC,
May susunod yan. Ano susunod sa KBP?
kapisanan ng mga broadcasters. So, una is yung result ng ating votation dito is now being actually transmitted first to MBOC with 24% completed. Then, after that siguro, yung next KBP, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster sa Pilipinas. Then the third, ilang transmission lahat ito?
Tatlo lang.
And the third one is Central Comelec.
Central server na.
Central server. So ulitin po natin, ang transmission now is going on, intended for MBOC, then for the KBP and the Central server. Again, this is only an evidence that the machine is all system go. Okay? Thanks God.